Hello students, in your C programming next topic is algorithm. What is algorithm? What is algorithms? Algorithms means it is a step by step instruction. Step by step instruction we can call it as a algorithm. Algorithm is a finite sequence of well defined computer implementable instruction we can call it as a algorithm. Algorithm is a finite sequence of well defined computer implementable instruction we can call it as an algorithm. Otherwise, one more definition will be there. Algorithm is a step by step instruction. Step by step instruction we can given in a program. That one also algorithm. Algorithm is a finite sequence of well defined computer implementationable instruction. That one also we can call it as a algorithm. In our algorithm we are always unambiguous and we can use the specification for the performing calculation, some data processing, automated resourcing, then other tasks we can perform in the algorithm. What are the operation or what are the performance we can given in a algorithm means algorithm are always unambiguous. What is unambiguous? What is ambiguous? What is the unambiguous? Unambiguous means undoubtable. It means unambiguous means undoubtable. We can call it as the unambiguous. We can have a doubts means that one we can call it as the ambiguous. Unambiguous is need to use. Why we can use means we are used to has specification for performing some calculation, performing some calculation, some data processing, then some automated reasoning, we can do it in a algorithm. Some other task also we can make it or do it in a algorithm. Algorithm is a step by step instruction. Algorithm we can finite sequence. We can well defined computer instruction we can follow. That one we can call as an algorithm. In your algorithm is always we can use the unambiguous or we can use it means undoubtable data we can specified in we can task will move on to the algorithm. What are the operation or what are the data we can specify or perform means we can some calculation of data, some data processing, some automated reasoning and the other tasks we can perform in the algorithm. What are the characteristics we can use in an algorithm? Characteristics of algorithm. What are the characteristics we can use in an algorithm? There are six types of algorithm we can used in this. First one is the input specified and second one is output specified and third one is definiteness, and fourth one is effectiveness, and fifth one is finiteness, and last one is independent. These are characteristics we can use in a algorithm. What are the 6 characteristics we can use in algorithm? Input specified, output specified, definiteness, effectiveness, finiteness, and independence. This type of characteristics we can use in a algorithm. Let us see one by one characteristics we can see in it now. First one is input specified. What is input specified? Its name shows input. We can take a input. It means whatever the data we can transmit during the computer to produce the output, we can have algorithm should have 0 or more well-defined input, or when input precision we can require, that one we can call as a input specified. Input specified means data transmitting during the computation to produce the output. Input is the data to be transformed during the computation to produce the output. That one we can call as a input specified. It means what are the algorithm we can use, that one is 0 or more well-defined input we can handle, or we can assign the value. That one we can call as a input specified. We can kind of data, how much and what form of data we can should be used in input. That one is called as a input specified. Sometimes we can use what are the input we can given, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. This one is the input we can given to the system or data. We can produce it in a program. That one is we can call as a input specified. Sometimes we can give this one is output also. Sometimes we can give the x comma y comma z is equal to x plus y. It means we can represent x plus 20. It means z is equal to 30. These steps also we can specify the input. Next one is output specified. What is the output specified? The output specified is the data resulting from the computational. An algorithm should have one or more well-defined output. In here we can use the 0 and more data we can use here. Here we can should have one or more well-defined output and should match to during the output. Here we can take x comma y comma z means here I will initially here only, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. I will initial here only. Here we can here we can return the x comma y comma z means we can represent it in a output specified. It means here we can given to the 20, y 20, z. It means z is equal to 20 plus 20. This one is the 40. This one is the output. We can require the output. This one is output specified. It means we can should we have one or more well-defined output should match during the output. The output, then precision also required to the kind of data, how much and what form of output we want. It will be, we can specify in the output specified. Next one is definiteness. What is definiteness? The algorithm must specify every step under the order. The step must be taken in the process. A definiteness means we can specify in the sequence of operation for the turning. We can use the sequence of operation for turning the input and output. Algorithm should be clear and the ambiguous. Why we can definiteness we can use in algorithm? The algorithm must be specify every step and the other steps must be taken in the process. Or definiteness means we can specify the sequence of operation of turning input and output. Algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Details of each step should be spelled out. It means no doubts about in your program of input output. Who will handle the system that people or user have some not understanding something. It is if you yourself are ambiguous about it, it means you can have a doubts on this. That one is the effectiveness, definiteness. Next one is effectiveness. It means next topic is effectiveness. Effective means it means that all those steps that are required to get the output must be feasible with the available resources. It should not contain any unnecessary and redundant data step which could means algorithm ineffective. Means we can use the unnecessary data, it will be not mandatory. We can't use here. Just we can use what are the data we want. It means we can unnecessary data we can't use here. I will give one example. Suppose we can cooking one recipe means we can chop vegetable which are not able to use the recipe. It means it is waste of time. Why we can chop the vegetable same time, same type? We can what are the data we can give and what are the variable we can have, whatever the data types we can have, just we can represent. That is the effectiveness. Next topic is finiteness. Finiteness means, what is finiteness? The algorithm must be stopped. Eventually stopping may means that you get the expected output or you get a response that no solution of possible. The algorithm must be terminated after the infinite number of steps. An algorithm, it should be the infinite and always terminate after the definite number of the steps. It means there is no point of developing an algorithm which is infinite, as it is useless for us. That one we can call it as a finiteness. Last one, independent. What is independent? Independent means what are the algorithm we should have. We can represent in a step by step directions which should be independent of any programming code. It will be independent of any programming code. It should be such that could be run any of the programming language. That one is a independent. Then we can use in a algorithm. You should understand what is the algorithm, what are the characteristics we can use, what are the characteristics we can use to represent the program, why we can use this character, everything you can understand properly. In your input means we can take on the input in a 0 and 1 more well defined input we can take on. Output means one or more well defined outputs we can take on. Definite means we could not expected the more in a computer. We can understanding of us, it means computer we can already, it is a